Good evening, folks. Here's Jeff from JR's Car Reviews. If you are new to my channel, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure you have your notifications turned on so that way you'll know when I upload a new video. So today, we're going to be taking an in-depth look at the 2020 Chevrolet Spark LT. This is going to be a full tour of the all-new Spark. I'm going to start up. I'm also going to show the engine. I'm also going to show you guys the features on the inside as well as the outside of the car. So here's the key. It is the switchblade key. Got your unlock, lock, and your panic button. Black exterior. They have black cloth interior. Manual driver seat adjustments. Very nice. 3-spoke steering wheel.
Demonstration mode. Connected by
OnStar steering.
High-speed 4G connection. Press the blue OnStar button to learn more.
It's got a CVT automatic transmission. Low gear selection. You also have a backup camera as well. Guidance lines. Alright, let's go ahead and turn on the lights. And we'll turn on the hazards. On my driver's side window, we'll check out the exterior. We have halogen projector beam headlights with the LED daytime running lights. There's your exhaust. Just gonna pop the hood. Coming up to the hood, you have Chevrolet's 1.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. power windows, your your window lock, power door locks, storage down there. All right, let's go see how it revs. Not bad. Got your climate control, your fan speed, your different modes, front defrost, push for rear defrost, different temperatures, air conditioning. You have storage right there. You have cup holders. You have a 12-volt power outlet, 2 USB outlets. You have some storage right here. You have a cup holder. You have a coin holder right there. Got your radio controls.
I got your BM on the mirrors. First shot in the A2 land, running 14 mils, driving 14 grams. Ain't no boy tickets and diamonds and pictures.
Doesn't sound half bad. Here's your radio screen. Got your AM, FM satellite radio. Your 6 preset stations here. You have your home menu right here. So you have your audio, your phone, Wi-Fi hotspot, your settings, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, OnStar services. There's your phone. Wi-Fi hotspot. Different settings. You have all your settings right here. OnStar services, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Very simple system. You got your volume controls. You have your sources. Your voice command, your hang up button for your Bluetooth telephone, cruise control right over here, turn signals, your driver info system right here, got your wipers. Over there, you got your tachometer, your speedometer, your digital fuel gauge, and where it says P is your gear selector. Got your interior lights. Your OnStar services, your passenger airbag on and off, manual and dimming rear view mirror. You have your you have a grip handle on the passenger side there. Total price for this one is $16,220, and the base price, or excuse me, the base price is $16,220, and the total vehicle price for this one is $17,095. And the MPG is 30 city, 38 highway. Very nice. Alright, so I guess in here is your fuse box. You have your traction control off, your gauge brightness, your headlight controls. Alright, so I guess that's it for the inside. We're gonna put the window down and check out the back seat. You got your power window, door handle, coin storage. The back seat is not roomy at all. This is the seat where I will have it positioned, and I'm 6'1" and I have no room back here at all. Oh, you also have an armrest. You also have a cup holder and a storage tray, but that's it. Oh, and you have a mat pocket on the passenger side there. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Just gonna check out the trunk. You have a decent amount of cargo space. You have your power window, power door locks, storage, fully manual passenger seat. Glove box. All right, that's it. Just going to shut everything down. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the tour on the 2020 Chevrolet Spark LT. If you're interested in buying this car at Moritz Chevrolet, please give them a call. I'll leave the link and the telephone number down in the description down below. Thanks a lot for watching, and goodbye. Stay tuned for my next video.